how to upgrade Aura Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of enhancing your abilities in AA and Blox Fruits. That's a straightforward and efficient procedure, so be sure to closely follow the steps outlined. Once you've obtained the AA ability from the ability teacher, you can immediately begin utilizing it by simply pressing J on your PC, down on the D-pad or the designated AA button on your controller. This activation will encase specific body parts in a protective coat, effectively amplifying the damage you deal while reducing the damage you receive from the adversaries. Initially, only your lower arms or the legs will be shielded at the first stage. As you progress through the stages, more parts of your body will be enveloped until your entire body is safeguarded. Currently, the game features 5 stages of the progression, commencing at the stage 0. Advancing to the stage 1 requires 4,000 experience points, stage 2 demands 12,000, stage 3 necessitates 24,000, stage 4 mandates 48,000, and finally stage 5 culminates at 60,000 experience points, providing full body coverage. Earning experience points is relatively straightforward. Upon activating your aura and shielding your body parts, the aura initiates an XP system for leveling up. There are 3 primary methods to acquire aura experience: inflicting damage on the enemies with AA active, activating the aura itself, or being struck while the aura is operational. You could opt for the farming low-level enemies by corralling them in a confined space and efficiently utilizing your AA to swiftly accumulate XP. Alternatively, explore other strategies to speed the process. Upon reaching stage 5, you will attain the prestigious title or AR Man and the ability to customize your aura's color, customizing the successful upgrade of your AA. I trust that this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights on upgrading AA in Blox Fruits. So if you found this video beneficial, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more concise and effective tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gaming and see you in the next video.